Wi-Fi calling is the latest services that telecom operators are offering. It is basically allows you to make phone calls via wireless internet connection. Wi-Fi calling is free and compatible with all devices and available on the Android and iOS platforms. However, to avail the Wi-Fi calling services, you need to go through these steps. Now I'll tell you how to use Wi-Fi calling on iPhones. You need to go to the setting first and then check the Wi-Fi calling. You need to turn on the Wi-Fi calling for all devices. Then go to the previous screen and click on other devices. After that, you have to turn on allow calls on other phones. In case you want to remove this feature, then you have to follow these steps. You need to go to settings and calls on other devices. After that, you have to turn off the Wi-Fi calling on the device, which you want to remove from the list. And to turn off the Wi-Fi calling on Apple Watch, you need to go to the Watch app on your device. Click on My Watch, then you are allowed to turn off the Wi-Fi calling. So guys, now I'll tell you how to use Wi-Fi calling on Android phones. To avail Wi-Fi calling on Android phones, you need to check the setting, network and internet and Wi-Fi calling. Then you have to follow the instruction as per telecom operators. And after that, you are allowed to activate the Wi-Fi calling on your smartphones. And now I'll tell you the procedure to get Wi-Fi calling on Airtel, Reliance Jio, Vodafone Idea and BSNL network. Notably, Reliance Jio, Airtel and Vodafone Idea users don't have to pay anything to use the service. In addition, you don't have to install any special app to use the same service. However, on the other hand, BSNL users need to install the Wings app to use Wi-Fi calling facilities. Besides, users have to spend registration fee up to Rs 1099 to get the service. Meanwhile, Vodafone Idea has launched new services for its customer. The Wi-Fi calling feature is currently available in 3 circles such as Kolkata, Goa and Maharashtra. This feature is good for those who don't have a proper network. Notably, the company has launched a service called High Wi-Fi Calling, which will allow users to make calls over the internet connection, such as office broadband, home broadband, and public Wi-Fi. The company wanted to launch these services earlier, but it was delayed due to the integration process. Notably, Airtel and Jio launched these services in 2019. Additionally, BSNL has also started its services that is known as Wings. The services has been started in these locations, but there is no confirmation when this facility will be available in the other parts of the country. So guys, that's all from our side for today. Keep watching Gizbot and thank you so much.